Tron coin is get a 6% profit, my friend, in last 7 days. I think it's very good because in those days every coin were very badly falls down. No coin, my friends, get a profit. But definitely Tron is one of the unique to price will increasing now. 0.11 USD dollar. This is the highest price and the current price is also that. So that's mean to the Polygon, sorry, Tron coin is completely on the fronting, and this time also they will get a very good profit now. So my brother, first of all, congratulations all of you, and after that please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Every channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. So now you need, my friends, to subscribe our YouTube channel. My brother, this is last 7 days chart. First of all, I predicate this coin in the last, my friends. I will share my opinion, so kindly watch this video completely, my friend. In this time you can see here Tron price will fails down, but after this fails you can see, my friends, they will moving very slowly moving upward very slowly, but definitely as you can see, my friend, urgently they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I'm also very shocked to how is it possible to they will take this type of huge jump now, but this is the reality, my friends. And congratulations Tron holder, to the price will hour by hour, minute by minute increasing now. My further, if a holder are starting selling, so I will clearly tell you, my friends, to the price of Tron very badly falls down. So therefore I first of all I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to don't do any mistake to starting selling. Absolutely, if you starting selling, so the price will falls down. So my friends, and a Tron holder, and this time absolutely the price of a Polygon Tron is very fastly moving upward. So kindly you will also need to hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching Tron holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.